Hi, this is Kerry Stover. I wanted to show you a little bit about Grammarly, I believe it is pronounced. And what it is a background watching how you spell, correct punctuation. They do have a free version. I have not bought the upgrade. So far, I haven't seen a big reason to, but depending on how good you are at English. And having said that, one of the things about writing, people expect to see some flaws. If it's perfect, they subconsciously feel a little inferior. So it's okay to have some mistakes here and there. It's actually called human. But anyways, this is the Grammarly homepage. I'm going to show you the demonstration that they have document. And what you're going to notice on the side, you're going to see some red underlining going on. And over here you can see what's actually happening. And to change that, simply go on it, and you can either have it is or it's. But as you see, it changed it. The nice part about this is it's going to pick up some spacing, which is real easy to do. Double words, forgetting things like that. Mark for the it's or it is. And you do need to proofread. I always suggest after you've done something, wait 10 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever's comfortable, and go back and then reread it. You'll pick up a lot of errors that way. But Grammarly definitely cuts that time frame down. As you can see, here again, it's just a matter of clicking on it. And they're going to tell you these type of things. The noun phrase mechanic seems to be missing to determine, and you can go ahead and decide by reading the sentence again whether it's needed. Here again, the every time or times, it's telling you a correction. It's a matter of clicking on it, and it does fix that for you. And that's the short and the long of what Grammarly will do. It has saved me a lot of time, and also picked up those little errors I would not have picked up. But this is simply a demonstration. The other thing I'm going to show you here. Okay, now we're going to go on into you can actually use their site and put your paragraphs or whatever you want to have looked over right in their site so that you have that done. I'm going to pick a new one to show you that's what you're essentially doing. You would go ahead and just build it all right here, type it all out, corrects as you would go. You could also import, which you would take it right from your files, which I'm not going to do at this point. You saw the little demonstration. That's basically how it works. And here's what you would export it to wherever you wanted to go. And we'll get in there again. You'd save it to your file and then pick it up from your file and go from there. Here's the part that you can pick which parts you want it to do. Of course, spelling, grammar, punctuation, I left them all on because even style helps to make it look more professional. And the more you're out there, the better you're off. Of course, they have an upgrade. Everybody does. And the rest of this is all on the premium part. They do have a support. I've never tried to use them. Again, here's a short tutorial that will walk you through basically what I've done. So it's pretty basic. The best thing to do is to just use it and you'll get onto it. Like I said, just look for the little red lines. And I like to actually write it out, come back and reread. It'll fix as you go too, so that helps cut down time. Okay, one other thing I wanted to show you up here in the corner, there's a help version so you can click on to check for updates. You can report an issue here also if you want. I have not had to do either. It stays updated pretty quickly. But again, it's somewhere you want to go. And this is coming directly off of Open Grammarly up from the icon on your home page. That's a short tutorial on how to use Grammarly. There's more, but right now I think that's enough information to get you going and using it. You'll be asked sometimes where you would like to have it set up at, and that goes along with the free version. So as you use it, like I said, you'll see red underlines. You can go right on that and hover over it, and the correction will come up, correct spelling, correct punctuation. Of course, you can always upgrade. That will do better. Sometimes too much control isn't great. So I am a little hesitant to do the premium. But that's what I have for you in this section. I have more training coming your way if you bought my package. Appreciate you being here. Thank you very much.